Are you tired of applying for jobs and hearing nothing back? What if I told you there are 5 online jobs that pay better than regular jobs, and you can start today from home with 0 experience? Stick around till the end, because the number 1 job can literally change your life. Let's get started. Job number 5, content creator, TikTok/YouTube Shorts. Number 1, if you enjoy making videos or even just editing them, this job is perfect for you. Number 2, all you need is a smartphone. Create videos on TikTok or YouTube Shorts. Use a tripod and ring light for a clean, professional look. Number 3, edit with free apps like CapCut. When your videos go viral, you can earn from the TikTok Creator Fund or YouTube Shorts bonus. Number 4, combine ad revenue, sponsorships, and affiliate links. And you could be making $300 to $1,000 a month just from your bedroom. Number 5, this job may sound ordinary, but it can be your first step toward extraordinary success. If you communicate well, this job will sharpen your confidence and build future business skills. Don't wait. Start here and learn how to lead. And yes, don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more career-changing ideas. Job number 4, dropshipping store manager, Shopify. Number 1, build an online store using Shopify and list products from suppliers like AliExpress or Temu. Number 2, no inventory needed. Once a customer places an order, your supplier ships it directly to them. Number 3, drive traffic using Facebook or TikTok ads. Use tools like AutoDS to automate the process. Number 4, a successful store can generate anywhere from $1,000 to $5,000 per month, depending on your strategy. Number 5, just a laptop and internet can unlock your earning potential. Millions are making dollars from home. Why not you? This is your chance to turn your talent into income. Don't scroll away. Your future is a click away. Click subscribe now and explore more options like this. Job number 3, online tutor, Preply/Cambly. Number 1, if you're good at explaining English, math, or science, you can teach online from anywhere. Number 2, create a tutor profile on platforms like Preply, Cambly, or Chegg. Record a short intro video to get started. Number 3, teach live over Zoom or upload recorded lessons. Students choose what works best for them. Number 4, you can charge $15 to $40 per hour, and even 1 hour a day could get you $500+ per month. Number 5, no job is small. This one teaches you commitment and hustle. Today you may be delivering food, but tomorrow you could be running a franchise. Keep pushing, keep learning. You just need the right mindset. Subscribe for more powerful motivation and real success paths. Job number 2, virtual assistant, VA. Number 1, many USA-based businesses hire virtual assistants to handle emails, manage files, and run their calendars. Number 2, you'll use tools like Google Workspace, Trello, or Zoom, all of which are beginner-friendly. Number 3, this job is fully remote and can pay $10 to $30 per hour, depending on your skills. Number 4, start part-time, and once you're confident, turn it into a full-time remote career. Number 5, if you have a phone and creativity, the world is your stage. TikTok, YouTube, and Instagram are turning creators into celebrities. Why can't you be next? Get started today. Hit that subscribe button and never miss daily earning tips. Job number 1, freelance graphic designer, Fiverr/Canva. Number 1, if you like creative work, learn basic graphic design using Canva or Adobe Illustrator. Number 2, create a profile on Fiverr or Upwork. Offer services like logo design, social media posts, or flyers. Number 3, even a simple logo can sell for $50. With time and reviews, you could be earning $200 per project. Number 4, work daily for 30 days, and you can easily earn $500 to $1,500 per month from home. Number 5, skilled hands are always in demand. Learn plumbing, electrical work, or mobile repair. You'll never be jobless. In fact, you could start your own service brand. It begins now with effort and a dream. For more life-changing inspiration, make sure to subscribe and stay with us till the end. If you start even one of these jobs today and stay consistent, you can make your first online income in the next 30 days. These are real opportunities, especially in the USA. And you don't need a degree or investment. Subscribe to this channel for more real, practical ways to earn online. Hit the like button if you found value. And remember, keep learning, keep earning.